Good job.
That was so good. We look so good, ladies.
Like, fabulous.
I mean, did you know?
No.
Did you?
No.
I didn't know either. I can't believe none of us knew.
I mean, we are so spirited out here. I mean, your hat even matches your sweater.
I know. I mean, this looks so good with the stars on it. Like, I totally couldn't wear that on a normal day.
No,
could
they don't
I?
like your hats. But on Spirit Day,
I know. It matches perfectly. And
Crazy.
your hair. Girl, I love the gold.
thank
And the stars. And the, I love the color you chose
Yeah,
here.
I
Perfect.
wasn't sure, but
It,
I think it goes
looks
well.
really good. So,
The bling looks awesome.
I know.
This whole thing.
So, I'm glad it's Friday, right?
Thank goodness. Ready for
Yeah.
the weekend.
Yay!
So, Spirit Day.
This
we got
Friday?
gold, and we got yellow, and we got stars all over. We are stars.
I am
I am.
No, I am.
a star.
Show your spirit.
This Friday.
For Spirit Day.
Woo!